involved. You got so many records in party. Alright, so now you decide. So, do you want to go that way or this way? This way, the temple one. Okay, let's go.
Hi,
Oh, this is the
mother.
temple one. So, it's a bit creepy. Let's turn the light off to make it more creepier. Okay. Oh, so this is the Kansas Asian temple. So as you can see, we got the spider here. The most poisonous spider in the world. We got one here. We got two over there. We got a fourth one over there. So do you know where's the fifth one? Got you, boy. And this is the elephant garden. It's protected takeover. But don't worry, as long as we behave well, takeover will not take us. So we get the soul. And now we move on. Remember, we got crocodile over there. See? Not here, but there. We got a bunch of them over there. So, remember, they haven't had their lunch yet. So now it's already 7 o'clock. They are hungry, and we are tasting for them. So gotta be careful now. Alright, so we move on to the professor podcast site. But wait, why they're so furious? Since they're having a party. That one is holding their gun. Oh no, don't shoot me, boy. Don't shoot me. Okay, we gotta go. Oh, can you see that? Do you know which animal is black and white? No, it's panda. I'm just kidding. So male zebra are black and white. The female one are white and black. Okay, so let's go. Oh, we got a little cutie over there. But now, oh, the hippo are ready to do something. Yeah, they're ready to fight us.
Oh my god!
These people, they jump off the pole and now being chased by the rhinos. But we can't save them. Save me because I don't want to save them. So let's go. Oh no, be careful now. We're heading into the territory of the headhunter. Don't let them find us. Oh no, they found us. Gotta go. Okay, so everybody, please put your hands up for now. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. And touch your head. Check your head is still there, okay? So now let's go. Whoa! Oh, where are we going? Oh, we can go from the front now. Can we go from the back? No, we can't. We are trapped.